Welcome back to one more episode from Jake West, and this time I'm back with one more street food review, and that is a Momo place which is at Mannagudda. So it's just few meters away from the Mangal Stadium. The Mangal Stadium is on my back end side, so it's that way. So here I'm at the the original taste of Darjeeling, where they make steamed momos as well as the fried momos. So here are a few of the items which are on the menu. So these are basically operated from a Omni van, you can see, and they also have a momo steamed here and a masala preparation counter. Have ordered one chicken peri peri momos. Let's see how they prepare it. Some of garlic, ginger and onions. So pre-mixed masala with different ingredients. So each serving will have 8 momos. So I've ordered the chicken peri peri momos, which is 100 rupees. You get 8 servings. Serving you get 8 momos. I had tried the peri peri momos. I also mentioned that I want spicier. So the spicy side was good. The masala I felt little salty, but it was okay when you dip the momos and eat. So salt level, the salt was on the good side, and the momos were steaming hot. And it took a little while to cool down, but the serving was really good. And the staff, there's only one person who prepares and serves. The service is really good. And by the way, we just had the last momo set. They are closing for the day, and it is totally sold off. And trust me, guys, there were so many people coming in and asking, for momos. He must be selling really good. End of the day is all are sold out. And he also mentioned that kitna banega 8,000. So he also mentioned that he prepares 8,000 momos per day, and getting all sold out is really great. And तुम्हारा नाम? Dippu. So we have Dippu Pradhan. So he's originally from Darjeeling, and the shop name is also Original Taste of Darjeeling. So giving a thumbs up for him. Apparently they have all sold off. I also wanted to try the fried momos. maybe I'll come back again to try the fried momos. So that's it all for today, guys. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe.